Let's see a problem on rate of reaction. The decomposition of N2O5 in CCl4 at 318 Kelvin has been studied by monitoring the concentration of N2O5 in the solution. Initially, the concentration of N2O5 is 2.33 mole per liter, and after 184 it is reduced to 2.08 mole per liter. The reaction takes place according to the equation. 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2. Calculate the average rate of this reaction in terms of hours, minutes and seconds. What is the rate of production of NO2 during this period? See the problem once again. He given reaction, that is decomposition of N2O5 in CCl4, and he is studying this reaction by monitoring the concentration of N2O5, that is by changing the concentration of reactant N2O5. He found that initially the concentration of N2O5 is 2.33 mole per liter. Write on that one. He given this reaction and the initial concentration of N2O5 is 2.33 mole per liter. After 184 minutes it is reduced to 2.08 mole per liter. So in time interval of 184 minutes, so final concentration is 2.08 mole per liter. Write on that one. And time is 184 minutes. Time taken is 184 minutes. He is telling that reaction takes place according to this equation. I have written that equation. We have to calculate average rate of this reaction in terms of hours, minutes and seconds. What? We have to calculate average rate, and also we have to calculate rate of production of NO2, that is rate of production of NO2 during this period. See now how to calculate average rate. He given this reaction, you know that how to write rate equation for this reaction, that is rate equal to, since stoichiometric coefficient is 2, take 1 by 2, and since this N2O5 is reactant, take minus sign. You know that rate is change in concentration of N2O5 divided by change in time. See here, dull indicates change, square bracket indicates concentration. So change in concentration of N2O5 divided by change in time. This also equal to, see, NO2 is product, so positive sign. Its stoichiometric coefficient is 4, so 1 by 4 into dull, that is change in concentration of NO2 divided by change in time. This also equal to, see, O2 is product, positive sign, so dull O2 by dull T. You know this how to write. Now see, in this equation we have to calculate rate. See, for that he given change in concentration of N2O5. See, he given initial concentration and final concentration of N2O5. So from that you can find change in concentration of N2O5. For that change in concentration he also given change in time. So take these two terms and equate them and try to calculate this rate. See, rate equal to this much. See, minus 1 by 2. Final concentration you have seen, that is 2.08 minus initial concentration is 2.33 divided by time taken was 184 minutes. Since it is during interval of time, this rate will be average rate. And try to simplify this one. 2.08 minus 2.33 is minus 0.025. Keep this 1 by 2 as it is, divided by 184. When you simplify this one, see, minus and minus use plus, So when you simplify this one, you will get 0.000679. So average rate equal to 6.79 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter per minute. Why minute per minute? Because you have taken time in per minute. Concentration is in mole per liter. So unit will be mole per liter per minute. Now if you want to express this in second, he is asking that you have to calculate average in terms of minute, second and hour. To express this in second, divide this by 60. See, I have divided that term by this term by 60. Then you will get this much, that is 0.1131667 into 10 to the power minus 4. And try to simplify. I have took this decimal point here. So 1.131667 into 10 to the power minus 1 into this 10 to the power minus 4, and minus 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 is 10 to the power minus 5. This 1.13 as it is. So average rate in terms of second is 1.131667 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole per liter per second. Now see, you have to find this average rate in terms of per hour. For that, this is in second, means for this equation if you multiply 60 you will get in terms of a hour. For this equation you have to multiply into 60, then you will get in terms of minute. Again if you multiply by 60 you will get in terms of hour. See how I have calculated. I have taken that for second only, so that equation only. See, once you multiply by 60 to this term you will get in terms of minute. Again if you multiply by 60 you will get in terms of hour. So after simplification of this one, you will get rate as 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter per hour. This is the average rate in terms of hour. Now second part of the problem is we have to calculate rate of production of NO2. For that, consider this rate equation only. Just now we have seen how we have written this rate equation. See, we have to calculate now rate of production of NO2. See, del NO2 by del T is nothing but rate of production of NO2. Rate is change in concentration divided by change in time. Rate of production of NO2 is change in concentration of NO2 by change in time. So this we have to calculate. To calculate this one, we know that rate. Just now we have calculated rate. So equate this rate and this term, this whole term, rate equal to 1 by 4 del NO2 by del T. See, now you have to calculate this del NO2 by del T, that is rate of production of NO2. So take this 4 this side. So then del NO2 by del T equal to rate into 4. Now rate, which one you take now? He didn't mention in which terms you have to calculate. Now take this only, that is average rate in terms of second. No, not I have taken average rate in terms of minute, which was calculated earlier. You can take anyone because he didn't given anything, he didn't mention, or you can take in per minute only. So this is the average rate in per minute you have calculated just now into 4. When you simplify this one, you will get rate of production as 2.72 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter per minute. That's it, the problem. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.